Hi class, today we are going to review the spelling words that we learned yesterday. So let's start by reviewing the phonograms that might be a little bit trickier. The first one is aw that we do use at the end of English words. So go ahead and pause the video and write that. All right, your aw that we do use at the end of English words should look like this. This one gives us a little bit of trouble, so if you didn't get it, I want you to go to write it, saying it while you write it, then go ahead and pause the video and write it 2 more times. All right, we want to get this in our brain, so make sure we're saying it while we write it. All right, the next one is E-A-A. Go ahead and write that and say it while you write it. All right, this is our E-A-A. So again, if you didn't get this the first time, go ahead and write it in now. And pause the video, write it 2 more times, and while you write it, say it sounds E-A-A. That will help it get stuck in your brain. All right, now our first word is feed. Do not forget to feed your dog. Which E do we use in feed? Good, we use E-double-E, always says E. So write and mark your word feed, pause the video, then you can come back and check your work. All right, this is what your feed should look like. Make sure you remember to mark it. So if yours doesn't look like mine, pause the video and fix it. If it does, let's keep on going. All right, now class, is feed a noun or a verb? Good, it's a verb. It's something we do, and it's an irregular verb. So that means we're not going to use edit to make it past tense. What's our past tense of feed? Good, it's fed. So that's our next word. Write and mark fed. Say the sounds while you write them. Okay, our fed should look like this. So if it doesn't, pause the video and fix it. If it does, let's keep on going. All right, the next word is barn. Barn. Write and mark barn. Then you can come check your work. All right, this is what our barn should look like. So if yours doesn't look like this, fix it. All right, the next word is straw. Straw. So the aw at the end of straw, which aw is it? Good, it's aw that we do use at the end of English words. So write straw and mark it. All right, this is what our straw should look like. If yours doesn't look like mine, go ahead and fix it. All right, our next word is corn. All right, go ahead and write and mark corn and say the sounds while you write them. All right, this is what your corn should look like. All right, the next word is beans. Now, which E do we use in beans? Good, we use E-A-A. So write beans, mark it, and say the sounds while you write them. All right, this is what our beans should look like. So yours doesn't look like this, go ahead and fix it. The last word is a two-way word. All right, our last word is carrots. How do we say carrots to spell it? Good, carrots. Carrots. So write that, mark it, say the sounds while you write them. All right, this is what our carrots should look like. Remember, carrots is how we say it to spell it. So fix it if you, this one's tricky. This is our tricky word today. Okay. So after you have all of those words written on your practice paper correctly, we're going to go ahead and put them in our orthography notebook. So I'm on page 44. So it's lesson P3, day 3 of list P. All right, use your most beautiful writing and remember to do the syllables and markings in your orthography notebook as well. All right, and tomorrow we're going to learn the last part of list P, so I will see you then. Bye.